Today we're showing you how to make a paper airplane on Scotty B's YouTube channel. So let's get started. This is the first step.
You fold your paper in half. I like to fold my paper in half because I can line up when I do the next fold easier. Open it. So what you want to do next is then fold it all the way down. And you want to line it up on the crease that you made. And do that to the other side.
By the way, if you're wondering if my brother has a YouTube channel, he does. And you can come check it out.
Sorry about that. Kind of what you next want to do is do that same thing again, but it's going to be a little bit smaller on the same crease that you just made. Do that to the other side.
So now you can see that it's kind of plain shape.
So once you do that, what you want to do is just fold it in half.
And then crease it.
So that's the form. And then what you want to do after that, fold it down.
And then just do that to the other side, and then you're good.
And then there's your paper airplane.
If you liked the video, please subscribe and try it out.